How to find six-figure products to sell in your Shopify store directly from your phone. Listen, when I'm out in the barber shop or when I'm outside of my house and I'm feeling a little unproductive, the first thing that I do is that I take out my phone and I start doing product research. And this strategy that I'm gonna show you right here has got us a ton of winning products, better than any other research strategy that you've ever seen out there. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. So my phone should be coming up here on the left or the right, or whatever side that is, and you can do this with your Android, with your iPhone, it doesn't matter. The first thing that you need to do, and this is a couple, it's like a 3 or 4 step process that we're gonna go over in this video. And the first thing that you need to do is that you need to open up your Facebook, all right? And what we're gonna do is that we're gonna start off by going up to the search feature and typing up get yours here, okay? We're basically gonna start looking for content all over Facebook that has these specific words. Now, the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on the videos button, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click on filters, date posted, and 2018, because I only want to see results that are from 2018 and farther than that. Now, the things that I'm looking for here is I'm looking for Shopify dropshipping stores, or just dropshipping online e-commerce stores that are selling gadgets or products that may seem like they're trending and that have been posted earlier, like within the last month. I don't want to go farther than a month, and has a decent amount of engagement in the actual post. So let's start going through that. So these that you see up here, this is a show. It says show, so I'm just gonna skip those first ones there. But for example, we have this one right here. So look, right off the bat, oh my God, this eyebrow ink pen is amazing, right? Beautify.me. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna click on that. And the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on see more, okay? Because I wanna see all the details and all the things that they included in the actual description. Now, the second thing that I'm gonna do is that I'm actually gonna like this post right here, all right? And you can see that I already liked it, because the truth is that I already filmed this video, but I'm filming it again because I wasn't recording my phone, all right? So the second thing that you're gonna do is that you're gonna go ahead and like the post. And the next thing is that you're gonna go to the actual page that is advertising this product, and you're gonna like them, okay? I already liked them right here. And the reason why you're starting to do all these different things is because you want Facebook to start registering that you're interested in these specific types of things, right? Now, I'm not talking about makeup things. I'm talking about e-commerce products, right? Products that people are selling in their e-commerce business by advertising. And by you starting to build that history and engaging with these posts and even commenting, right? Like I could bring this up and I could type in a comment of a heart face and just press submit. You're gonna be giving Facebook more data points, right? And more information, which means that you're gonna be a lot more likely to start getting advertisements on your feed, okay? Like for example, if I go on Instagram right now, if I go on Facebook, I'm literally gonna be bombarded with e-commerce dropshipping products because I've engaged so much with these pages and I've liked their stuff and I've commented, right? So I always know the latest products that are currently out because I'm their target market. I get them as advertisements, right? And there's a specific process that you have to follow. So the next thing that you have to do is that you have to go ahead and click on the link, right? Click on the link that they posted there so that we could go ahead and go into their store. Now, the first thing that we're looking for here is that we want to go down and I want to go ahead and add this to cart. And the reason why I want to add this to cart is because if this e-commerce store, if this Shopify store is running a remarketing campaign, which means that they're targeting people with advertisements that added to cart but didn't purchase, I want to be in that advertisement too. I want to get every single advertisement. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to add it to cart. And the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm looking for the store name. So I could see all the way at the top that the name of the store is dealfestive.com. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to open Safari, and I'm going to go to a website called similarweb.com. And the reason why I'm coming to this website is because I want to see if this is a successful e-commerce store or not. And how I could see that, one of the key factors and determinators, I don't even know if that's the right word to use there, of if a website of an e-commerce store is successful or not is the amount of traffic that they get. Because if a Shopify store is failing, it's not working, then they're probably not going to be getting a lot of traffic. So I'm gonna come right here and I'm gonna type in, I think it was dealfestive.com. Let's see if that works. So Deal Festive, it puts the .com by itself. And let's see what happens. So we can see that it's a Shopify store indeed, as you can see right here in the top left. And if I scroll down, it says, we're sorry, we're currently lacking sufficient data to show complete estimations. So that seems, what this tells me is that this is a very new Shopify store, or they're not successful at all, okay? So what this leads me to do is to move on, right? And as a matter of fact, this product that you're seeing right here is a winning product. But because of what we've seen right now, because of the different determinators, why do I keep saying that word? Because of the different kind of data points that we've acquired, this does not seem like a winning product as of now, right? I'm just telling you that it is because I know, but let's go ahead and keep going. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna come back to this area here. I'm just gonna dismiss this and let's keep looking through products. So 2 months old, 3 months, 2 months, 4 months, that's a bit too much. Let's see this one right here. So 1 month ago and 7.1K views. Now the second thing that I wanna do, other than liking it and also going to their page and making sure that I like their page, is I wanna see if there are any recent comments, right? I want to see if there are recent comments, because if there are recent comments, then it means that this person is actually currently advertising the product, which means that it's making money, right? If they're not currently advertising it, then it means that either they do not know how to advertise properly or they're not making any money, okay? So this product here, see 14 hours ago, but the next one up top is 2 weeks. So it seems like the 14 hours ago was a CAG, like someone randomly found it. But what I also noticed was that this advertisement right here only has 7,000 views, which means that the person that was advertising this, they quit way too early, right? They gave up really early. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm not even gonna click on that store because I know that these people do not know what they're doing. So I'm gonna keep going, let's see. So this says, I need this now, okay? So she needs this now, and let's see what it is. Let's see if there are any recent comments first. So 5 days ago, 5 days. See, that's not 1 day ago, but again, there's not that many, so I'm just gonna keep going. That one doesn't seem too promising. So this one 4 weeks ago, 2.9 million views. Let's see if that's a drop shipping product. So it seems like it is. So it says get yours here. And guys, this could even be a way for you to learn how to write proper descriptions for your products, right? Because you're gonna be going through so many different advertisements that you're gonna learn how all these different types of descriptions look. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the comments to see if there's anything recent. Okay, so this product is actually a good one, right? This product has super recent comments, 21 minutes ago. Literally just now someone commented, 10 hours ago, 20 hours. So here's the next thing that I'm gonna do. I'm always gonna like it. I'm gonna go to their page for a second. I'm gonna go to their page for a second and make sure, why is it not taking me to their page? I'm gonna make sure that I like their page, and then I'm gonna go back to this product and I'm gonna click on the link, all right? Because I wanna go to their actual website and I wanna add it to cart, all right? And remember, the reason why I'm doing this is because I wanna be hit with different advertisements. So I'm gonna come here, it costs $60, perfect, add to cart. This is definitely a Shopify store. Now the next thing that I'm gonna do after I add to cart is I'm gonna go and look up their domain on SimilarWeb, just like the other one. So I go guess.com, whatever that means. So I go guess. So let's go ahead and look this up and see if these people are getting traffic or what, right? So let's go down and look, this website, even this one, this might be a very new store, because it obviously seems like they know what they're doing, because we're getting a lot of views, a lot of comments, a lot of likes, but they don't have any traffic here. So these people are probably fairly new, okay? But because there was so much engagement in the post, this could be something to look into. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to find the name of the product. So let's see what the name of this actual product is right here. So let's see what they called it. So a pocket paper printer. So I'm gonna come back to Safari and I'm gonna go on AliExpress real quick, okay? I'm gonna go, and I do all of this while I'm like at the barbershop waiting. I was just doing it the other day. If you guys haven't noticed, I got a haircut, right? So pocket printer, let's look that up and see what we could find here. I'm gonna go ahead and sort here by number of orders. So let's see if it looks like that. I don't remember if it looks like that. Let's see. So paper rang. You see the name there on the picture, it says paper ANG. Let's try looking that up. This has to be a product from here for sure. Paper ANG. Let's see if that brings anything up. Yeah, it does. So there it is. So let's sort by number of orders. So right here, 508 orders, right? And even this one, they literally use the same exact image, right? If we go back to the actual posting right here, it's literally the same image. So this is a product that these people are obviously drop shipping directly from AliExpress, just as we thought. And the product costs $45 and it has 95 orders. I think there was also another one that was at 508 orders. But that takes us to the next stage, which is, okay, now we have this product here. Now let's figure out if this product is actually being sold by other people, right? So Pocket Paper Printer, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna cancel this out. Okay, so I found it there, perfect. I'm gonna come back up here, I'm gonna put Pocket Paper Printer, okay? Pocket Paper Printer. I'm gonna go ahead and click on videos. I wanna see, is there anyone else selling this type of thing? And is it recent, right? I wanna filter by date posted, 2018. I want to see, is anyone else trying to sell this thing? So there are a couple of people, but they haven't really been successful. Like here we have 4 months ago, 3 months ago, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 3 months, 3 months, a month ago. See, so this could be a good product for you to start advertising because it has a decent amount of orders in AliExpress, right? It has 508 orders. It has very good reviews. You found someone that was advertising it with very recent comments and very recent posts, right? So it could definitely be a product that you start advertising. And this is literally how we find winning products. Let's keep looking for more. Another thing, so let's put get yours here again. Let's go back to that list. Videos, I'm gonna filter by 2018 because I want recent ones, and we'll just go through a couple of other ones just so you guys could get kind of the hang of it, right? So let's see what we have here. So get yours here 3 months ago, too much. Wednesday, but 2.8K views. You see that at the top. This is the best facial roller. Doesn't have that much engagement. Let's see, 2 months ago, too long. 2 weeks ago. Let's see, 3 months ago, 3 months, 1 month. I'm looking for something under a month with a decent amount of actual engagement. So show this. Let's see this one, creative ideas. Show this to a wine lover. Let's click on see more. Let's go ahead and click on the comments to see if there are any recent comments here. Okay, so 8 weeks, 8 weeks. I don't think there are a lot of recent comments here. So yeah, so there aren't a lot of recent comments. But let's go ahead and click on it anyways. Let's see if this store is getting any traffic at all. So $23, bluecrate.com. Let's see, let's go ahead and go on similar web and see how much traffic Blue Crate is getting. And if they're getting a lot of traffic, it could mean that they're a successful store. And then we'll move on to to other things that we could do once we do find a store, right? So if we scroll down, let's see. Okay, so this is definitely a successful drop shipping store, potentially drop shipping. We'll confirm it now, but you could see here that in the month of March, they got 510,000 visitors to their website. A website does not have 510,000 visitors if they're not making a lot of money, especially an e-commerce store. In the month of April, they got 410,000. So this is definitely a good store to add to your arsenal. So what you need to do at this point is that you need to save the URL of this store, right? The first thing that we need to do, just like we said, was we need to like this, and we need to come to this page and we need to like the page, okay? So that we can start getting targeted by these people. And then what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna click on this product, okay? I think I had already clicked on it. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start looking through other products that this store is selling. Because now that you know that this store is doing good, then you need to see what else are they selling, right? What are other products that I could potentially look into because this store is selling them. Let's see if we could do this little strategy here where we do sort by, right? So it's sort_by equals best selling to see if we could see their best sellers. This is like a little ninja strategy there. Okay, so that didn't let me. Let's see if I put it in. No, I don't want to do that. So let's see if we could put this into here. And let's see if we could see their best-selling products right off the bat right here. I think we might, and we do. Okay, so there you go. So these are their best-selling products. You can start going down this list of products and seeing if any of them make sense using the other strategies and things that we saw, right? Looking them up on Facebook and that type of thing. So this is a really good strategy for you to go out there and start finding different products that people are currently advertising right now, or that they have been able to advertise in the past, within the past month successfully with recent comments and things like that. And we can literally be going on here forever because there's so many different products. And the best part about this is that when you look this up, you're gonna get different results than I'm getting right now, right? Which is absolutely incredible because everyone has a good opportunity to use this strategy. And then the best part about that is that if I come to my feed now, let's see if it does it. It does it most of the time. Usually on Instagram, it does it a lot for me. But I could start scrolling down here, and eventually I'll start getting advertisements because here's one of them right here, right? So I think this is actually a page that I follow, but I start getting advertisements nonstop simply due to the fact that I engage so much with these actual pages, right? And I see it more. I see it happening more for me in, I think there's one right there. I see it happening more for me on Instagram than Facebook, but it's absolutely incredible. It's awesome, right? Because I get people doing research for me, and then I'm just doing research of the research that they already did, right? So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you hit a subscribe down below. Make sure that you like this video and put a comment down below of whether you used this strategy before. I know that when I'm out and I'm just sitting there and I want to be productive, I'll start doing some research and I'll send some products to my team so that they could do the next stages and stuff like that. It's worked out absolutely incredible. We found some killer products like this, and even better products once you start getting retargeted. Because remember, after you like their page, after you comment, after you like the page, I think I already said that, after you add to cart in the page, right? That's the one that I was missing. You're gonna start getting retargeted by these ads. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on product research. My name is Joaquin Corrales, and remember, we're doing weekly giveaways of over $1,000 worth of content and software to help you guys in your e-commerce businesses. And all you have to do to qualify is make sure you're subscribed, hit a like, and put a comment down below of what you're working on. Have you started your store already? What is your biggest struggle when it comes to Shopify dropshipping? Is it finding the products? Is it running the advertisements? Let me know in the comments which one it is, and I'll see you guys on the next video.